first section of the course, we're going to talk about the introduction, about the Jews under Hellenism in the late classical period, in the Byzantine Empire, what is Romaniote culture, what is this Jewish-Greek culture and prayer rite of the Jews in the Byzantine Empire. Then we're talking about what happened with Sephardic Jewry, how they arrived in Greece, in the Greek peninsula. We also talk about the Venetian culture and how that influenced the Jews of the Greek peninsula, especially in Crete, especially in the Ionian Islands.